Welcome to Tech Solutions. In this tutorial, we're installing Wine on Ubuntu 25.10, Questing Quokka. Wine allows Linux users to run many Windows applications directly without using a virtual machine or setting up dual boot. It works by translating Windows system calls into Linux-compatible instructions, so software behaves almost like it's running on a native Windows system. Ubuntu 25.10 already includes the required architecture support for Wine, so the installation is simpler than before. The main step is adding the official WineHQ repository, which provides the latest builds designed specifically for modern Ubuntu releases. The WineHQ key will also be added to ensure all packages are verified and secure. After adding the repository, the package list is updated so Ubuntu recognizes the new WineHQ entries and fetches the most recent versions. WineHQ offers 3 different release channels: Stable, Development, and Staging. The Stable edition is recommended for most users because it focuses on reliability. Development updates more frequently with new features, while Staging contains experimental enhancements that haven't yet been polished for everyday use. Once Wine is installed, we'll open the Wine configuration tool. This automatically sets up a dedicated directory inside your home folder where Wine stores all Windows-related files, dependencies, and installed software. During configuration, you can choose which Windows version you want Wine to emulate, such as Windows 10 or Windows 11, and adjust graphics, audio, and library settings depending on the applications you plan to run. After configuration is complete, Wine is ready to launch Windows software on Ubuntu. To test it, try running a lightweight Windows installer or any portable program using the Wine command in the terminal. If a familiar installation window appears, it means Wine has been installed successfully and is functioning properly on your system. If you run into dependency issues, Ubuntu also offers its own version of Wine in the official repositories that is carefully tested for system stability, though it may not include the latest updates. And for users who prefer a graphical workflow, Wine and related tools can be installed using the Ubuntu Software Center or other package management apps available in the system. With Wine ready to go, Ubuntu 25.10 becomes capable of running a wide range of Windows applications, from office tools and media utilities to many popular games. This makes the transition to Linux much more comfortable without giving up essential Windows software. Enjoy the best of both worlds right here on Ubuntu.